Meet Sarah. She is 31 years old, she has $60,000 saved, and she just made the biggest financial decision of her life. She bought a house. 6 months later, she is broke, stressed, and wondering what went wrong. Today, we tell Sarah's story, and we make sure it never becomes yours. Sarah did everything right. She saved for years. She got a stable job. She was ready. Everyone told her the same thing. Stop renting, buy a home, build equity. It is the smart move. So she believed them. She signed the papers. She got the keys. It felt like winning. The reality hit. Then the bills started coming. The mortgage was $2,800 a month. Then property taxes landed. Then homeowners insurance. Then the water heater broke. In her first year alone, Sarah spent $14,000 beyond her mortgage. She never saw that coming. Nobody told her about those numbers. Nobody warned her. What nobody tells you about buying. Here is the truth about buying a home in 2026. The average home costs around $420,000. At today's interest rates, your monthly payment is over $2,800. That is before taxes, insurance, or repairs. Most buyers need $42,000 to $84,000 just for the down payment. Then closing costs eat another $10,000 to $21,000. You spend 6 figures before you even move in. What nobody tells you about renting. Now let's talk about renting, because it gets a bad reputation it does not always deserve. Yes, rent money leaves every month. Yes, you build no equity. Yes, your landlord can raise the price. But here is what people miss. That $84,000 down payment invested instead could grow significantly over 10 years. Renting buys you something too. It buys you time. And flexibility, the number that changes everything. There is one number that should drive your decision. Most people have never heard of it. It is called the break-even point. It is the moment when buying finally becomes cheaper than renting. In most US cities right now, that moment comes after 6 to 8 years. Stay less than 6 years, renting probably saves you money. Stay longer than 7 years, buying starts to win. It is that simple. So what was Sarah's mistake? She bought in a city she was not sure she wanted to stay in. Her job had been offering her transfers. She had been dating someone in another state. She planned to stay. But life had other plans. 2 years later, she sold the house. After fees, interest paid, and market conditions, she lost $22,000. The house did not fail her. The timeline did. When buying is the right move. Buying is not the enemy. For the right person, it is still one of the best wealth builders alive. Buy when your income is stable. Buy when you plan to stay for at least 7 years. Buy when you have a full down payment and an emergency fund sitting separately. Over 30 years, a paid-off home is a life-changing asset. Your mortgage stays fixed. Rent keeps rising. That gap becomes your advantage. Buying rewards patience. Always has. When renting is the right move. Rent when your life is still moving fast. Rent when your city is too expensive to justify buying. Rent when your emergency fund is not fully built yet. Flexibility has a price. And right now, in 2026, that price is worth paying for a lot of people. The market is uncertain, rates are high, life changes fast. There is no shame in renting smart while you wait for the right moment. Before you decide anything, answer these 5 questions honestly. Will you stay for at least 6 years? Do you have 20% down plus an emergency fund? Is your income stable right now? Is your city's home price more than 20 times the annual rent? Do you want roots? Or do you want freedom? Your answers tell you everything. No calculator needed. Here is how Sarah's story ends. She moved to a new city. She rented a small apartment. She invested her remaining savings. she stopped feeling behind. She started feeling free. 2 years later, she found a city she loves, a job she plans to keep, a partner she wants to build a life with. Now she is ready to buy. For real this time, the dream did not die. She just found better timing. Renting is not losing. Buying is not always winning. The right move depends on your life, not someone else's timeline. Know your numbers. Know your plans. Know yourself. If this story helped you think more clearly, hit the like button. It takes 1 second, and it helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Every week we break down money in plain language. No jargon. No confusion. Just the truth. Sarah figured it out. Now so can you.